I can confirm to you that being an Ewe, I should have been happy then also that an Ewe is the overall boss of the military. Somebody has 10 years left in the service because your mama thinks the person is an Akan and does not want an Akan to head the military. Secondly, because military high command, and I said the commander of the armed forces went to Upper East. And there are some interesting dynamics I experienced today. I saw today. When you say media, I say Mbasana and I say I pay attention to details. You see, for some time now, we are speaking about Bawku, so don't get it twisted. For some time now, we've been shouting, crying, and exposing John Dramani Mahama Abainwe because this government of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, we have been speculating, and it is not just speculation, but some also backed by what is on the ground, that there was an Ewe northern hegemony being created. And anytime I say this, I like to remind you that I am an Ewe, 100%. I'm in Volta region. That notwithstanding, I understand and believe that if Ghana is going to go forward, there must be inclusion of all tribes. And there must not be any deliberate agenda to sideline particular people from particular places in the country. The moment we start doing that, we are creating the chance, the opportunity for armed revolutions to begin. Go to Nigeria, go to Syria, all over, Sudan, wherever you see that people or citizens is happening right now in Democratic Republic of Congo. Wherever you see civilians, they take guns into their own hands and they start revolutions or armed revolt, it means that there is a particular group of people that think their right is being trampled upon by powers that be. You can, it happens everywhere, all over, everywhere. Mention any country, wherever you see an armed revolution, people take weapons and say that we no go agree, and they form their own militias. It's because there is a tribe that feels that they are sharing the national cake, I'm not included. Almost all the time. That is it. Now, so because of this, it's very important to me that in every government, whether it's MPP government, NDC government, there should be representation from all regions. Very, very important to me. So important. The reason I'm saying all this blah, 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 because I'm speaking about the Bawku crisis and the presence of the military. Now, today I was watching a very interesting video. The overall boss, the Ogak Patakpata of the military, went to the Upper East today. And he went to the Upper East because he went to commission some 400 soldiers that have been sent to go and enforce peace in Bawku. So there are two different things here. The first time the military went to Bawku, it was for peacekeeping. But this time around, it is peace enforcement. And you will see some people being lashed and all those things. It's normal because they are now enforcing. Whether you like it or not, there will be peace. Okay. So the overall boss of the army, the military of Ghana, went there. When I saw him descend from the helicopter, I looked at his badge. So, you know, soldiers, mostly you are able to tell their ranks, they wear their ranks, and for the military generals, you are able to tell their stars on their dress. I saw 2 stars. And I'm speaking about the Ogak Patak of the military of Ghana. 2 stars. 2 stars. So when I saw 2 stars, I became a little bit curious. Me cry, I don't know what is wrong with me. I don't know why I would just not concentrate on science, pharmacology, health, and this. And I like some of these things like that. So when I saw 2 stars, I decided to watch the whole video. It was quite brief, but I wanted to just pay attention to details. Then there's a lot of noise in the video, actually. If I were to play it with you, you would have heard a lot of noise. But you know, when somebody is speaking your language, your native language, if it is noisy, you pick signals that this is my language being spoken. So the 2 top men of the military, the armed forces, right now, when they were walking, the 2-star general asked the other person a question, and it was in Ewe. I was like, wait. Ewe being spoken here by the overall boss of the military. The second in command is also speaking Ewe. Then I paid attention to his name. Then the name was like, I said, nah, this name is a Voltarian name. So I quickly went to their website to go and read about the military high command. And I now understood why people like Reverend Ntim Fojo were alarmed that we had 3-star, 4-star generals that were allowed to go home. It has now become clear to me what His Excellency John Dramani Mahama actually did. And I can confirm to you that being an Ewe, I should have been happy then also that an Ewe is the overall boss of the military. But I think that things must be done the right way. And if it is true that it is because of this Ewe Volta Northern agenda that we as a nation decommissioned about 15 high-ranking military personnel, then Ghana, we have a lot ahead of us. We have a lot of work. We have a lot of work as a country. We have to pray that if any president can come and he will look through the military and then he will see that, look, the tribe that he likes, the tribe that he thinks he can work with is somewhere beneath the echelons of power. So because of that, he does not mind sacking everybody at the top. Just for that person down. that one person down there to be given the appointment, then we are in trouble. Because do you know what he did? The financial implications. If I'm a soldier, an officer, and my time for retirement is not due. Let's say I'm supposed to retire at 50 years. And I'm at 40 years old. And you say that I have to retire by force because you are now appointing somebody under me as the overall boss. What it means is that all my salary, outstanding salary for the next 10 years until my retirement, you put it all together and pay me at once. And if you check the salary of a military general, none of them is taking beneath 20,000 Ghana cedis. None. So if somebody has 10 years left in the service, because your mama thinks the person is an Akan and does not want an Akan to head the military, the your mama did not mind paying that person 20,000 Ghana cedis times 12 months times 10 years. And this includes all the ranks I will have achieved though. So if maybe I was getting close to promotion to 5-star and I'm at 4-star, I'm taking 25,000. You calculate the 5-star money. And we have done this for over 15 people. Paid them just because our president that we voted for feels that I don't like this tribe. I want to work with only LS and Northerners. I don't have any problem. But I'm saying that countries have done this And we've seen where they are now. Togo has done this, and now there's no democracy in Togo. And this is the reason why we always say, some of us who are Ewes and Northerners, we are always telling you that I can't unite, 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 unite. Unite. There are good reasons why people will want certain tribes to be in charge of the military. There are good reasons. And this man, our president, knows what he's up to. That is why he's taking some of these decisions. So the two top people in the army, they are all from my region. I'm glad. Thanks be to God. But you see today, when they both met in Upper East, and there were other soldiers around, they spoke Ewe. You won't understand what they are saying. You won't. You people, politics is much more beyond what we see. It's not about kinky. It's about the destiny of a country. The progress, the development of a country. These are the things at stake, and this is what we've been trying to let Ghanaians understand. Now, to our dear soldiers that have been sent to Bawku, please, you have not been sent there to go and impregnate the ladies, so we are begging you. We are begging you. Because this evening, the videos we are seeing already, boys make wild. First day, go and enforce peace. 2 p.m. curfew. Now boys are standing already at the entrance of ladies' doors and taking numbers. Hey, Ghana military, Ghana soldiers. This country, this country, if you don't take care, you get high blood pressure you have not negotiated for.